The 2025 Lamborghini lineup is here, and it's more exhilarating than ever. With cutting-edge technology, striking design, and performance that pushes boundaries, Lamborghini continues to dominate the supercar world. In this video, we'll explore the latest models, innovations, and what makes Lamborghini the pinnacle of automotive excellence in 2025. Let's start with Lamborghini's design philosophy. The brand has always been about aggressive styling, sharp lines, and aerodynamic efficiency. For 2025, Lamborghini takes it further, blending futuristic elements with classic DNA. The new models feature even more carbon fiber, advanced aerodynamics, and bold styling choices that set them apart from the competition. Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped lighting elements are now more pronounced, enhancing the futuristic appeal of these machines. The Italian automaker has focused on making each model a true work of art, whether it's a high-performance coupe or an open-top roadster. Now, let's talk about performance. Lamborghini has never compromised on speed, and in 2025, they continue to raise the bar. The heart of any Lamborghini is its engine, and this year's lineup includes a mix of naturally aspirated V10s, twin-turbo V8s, and hybrid-assisted V12s, with power figures exceeding 800 horsepower in some models. Lamborghini ensures an adrenaline-pumping experience. The brand has also introduced innovative hybrid systems, offering instant-to-work and improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing the raw power enthusiasts crave. One of the most anticipated models of 2025 is the Lamborghini Revuelto. As the successor to the legendary Aventador, the Revuelto combines a naturally aspirated V12 with a hybrid powertrain. This setup delivers over 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Lamborghinis ever built. The hybrid system enhances acceleration, providing immediate torque while maintaining Lamborghini's signature high-revving character. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.5 seconds, the Revuelto is a true speed demon, built for both the track and the streets. Another exciting model in the 2025 lineup is the Lamborghini Huracan inverted exclamation mark and STJ. This is the final iteration of the Huracan inverted exclamation mark, and before it gets replaced by a next-generation supercar. The STJ, or Super Trofeo Jota, is a track-focused beast with enhanced aerodynamics, improved downforce, and an even more aggressive stance. Lamborghini has optimized weight distribution and suspension tuning, making this one of the most engaging Huracan inverted exclamation mark NS to drive. The naturally aspirated V10 remains, ensuring that unmistakable Lamborghini soundtrack roars through the exhaust. But Lamborghini isn't just about raw speed. The company has also embraced hybrid and electric technologies for future sustainability. The Lamborghini Rousse is the brand's first plug-in hybrid SUV, delivering blistering performance while reducing emissions. With a twin-turbocharged V8 and an electric motor, the Rousse produces over 800 horsepower, making it the most powerful Rousse yet. This hybrid setup not only improves efficiency but also enhances torque delivery, providing an exhilarating driving experience both on and off-road. Speaking of SUVs, Lamborghini is also working on the successor to the Rousse, expected to be a fully electric model arriving in the next few years. The company has confirmed that electrification is part of its long-term strategy, ensuring that Lamborghini remains at the forefront of performance while adapting to global sustainability trends. However, Lamborghini promises that even its electric models will retain the brand's aggressive styling, incredible acceleration, and a thrilling driving experience. Let's not forget the Lamborghini Sterato. This off-road-oriented supercar is unlike anything else in the lineup. Based on the Huracan inverted exclamation mark and platform, the Sterato features raised suspension, all-terrain tires, and enhanced durability, making it capable of tackling rough terrains while maintaining Lamborghini's signature performance. It's a bold move for the brand, proving that supercars don't have to be limited to smooth roads. For 2025, Lamborghini continues production of the Sterato in limited numbers, ensuring that it remains a rare and exciting addition to any collection. Now, let's shift our focus to technology. Lamborghini has made significant advancements in its digital cockpit, integrating the latest infotainment and driver assistance features. The new models come with a redefined digital instrument cluster, offering customizable displays for performance metrics, navigation, and connectivity. Lamborghini's latest infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, allowing software enhancements without requiring a visit to the dealership. Another key advancement is aerodynamics. Lamborghini has developed active aerodynamic components that adjust in real time based on driving conditions. For example, the V12 features an adaptive rear wing that automatically adjusts to provide the perfect balance between downforce and drag reduction. These innovations ensure that Lamborghini models remain at the cutting edge of both performance and efficiency. Safety and driver assistance have also been improved. While Lamborghini remains focused on the driving experience, new models include advanced traction control, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance systems. The goal is to enhance safety without taking away from the thrill of driving. Customization remains a core aspect of the Lamborghini experience. Through the Add Person and program, customers can create a truly unique vehicle, from bespoke paint colors to custom interior materials. Lamborghini offers nearly limitless options for personalization. The 2025 models expand on this, introducing new materials such as sustainable Alcantara alternatives and 3D printed interior components. Lamborghini's track presence continues to be strong, with racing variants of its supercars competing in prestigious events worldwide. The Lamborghini SC63 is the brand's latest endurance race car, developed for Le Mans and other top-tier racing series. With hybrid power and cutting-edge aerodynamics, the SC63 showcases Lamborghini's engineering prowess on the global stage. Insights from the racing world directly influence the development of road-going models, ensuring that every Lamborghini delivers a motorsport-inspired experience. As we look toward the future, Lamborghini has big plans. The successor to the Huracan inverted exclamation mark N is expected to debut soon, featuring an entirely new design and a hybrid powertrain. Lamborghini has also hinted at an all-electric hypercar concept, which could redefine performance in the EV era. While electrification is inevitable, Lamborghini is committed to maintaining the raw emotion and excitement that make its cars so special. In conclusion, the 2025 Lamborghini lineup is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Whether it's the hybrid-powered V12, the track-ready Huracan inverted exclamation mark N STJ, or the electrified Rousse, Lamborghini continues to push boundaries. With breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance, Lamborghini proves once again why it's one of the most coveted brands in the world. What's your favorite Lamborghini model from 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more supercar content. Stay tuned to Auto Apex for the latest and high-performance automotive news.